Good morning all and welcome to the show. Just a quick one today. I show you how to do like a week's worth of meals with one chicken and to show you some scenic views after our river flooded. I'm going to grab my coffee now and I will be right back. Okay, our first sugar cube moment is just adorable. Of course, it's a turtle, which as you know is my favorite. Well, good morning. Happy coffee. And for those of you who haven't been here before, I'm Sylvie. It's Saturday, hence Sylvie on Saturday. It's crazy. We're in November already, at the end of November, almost December, close to Christmas. I keep seeing on Facebook, it's getting closer and closer. Not ready for it. Yeah, so like I said at the beginning of the show, our first little bit here is one chicken, 3 meals, depending on prices of vegetables in your area. Could be done probably for under 20 bucks. You get a soup, salad, roast chicken dinner, which best compliment ever. I made this for my boyfriend and he said, oh my god, it's like dinner at grandma's house, which is awesome. So one thing you'll notice is I don't put spices. I put spices in my soup when I make it, but everybody likes different things. People like different levels of salt, pepper, different flavors, garlic, yada yada yada. So that part is up to you. I give you the basic recipes. You can mix and match and do what you will with them. But here you go. 1 chicken, 3 meals. Okay guys, we are at the halfway point of my show, which means it is time for you to do your part. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click like if you like the video. Comment down below. Scroll to the bottom. There's a comment section. I will reply to them. Yeah, leave comments. Leave comments. And if you have any show suggestions, leave those. Oh, and my sugar cube moments, beginning and end of the show. Submit your videos. Send them to me. I have a Facebook page, Sylvie on Saturday at Facebook. I have a Twitter account. I have a WordPress blog. everywhere, and even email. Just send me cute little video clips that I can use on my show. That would be awesome. And as promised, here is now some video of the Kitimat Riverbank once they finally opened up the road after the flood. It'll be on Saturday. Oh, you can't see me. It's very bright out here. Barricades came down today, first time since after the flood, so we came down to the river to check it out and got some videos of the changed landscape and the landslide down by Alcan Beach. But yeah, here's some quick videos of the new changes since we flooded. Okay, so I am now down at the end of the Giant Spruce Road, and this is the devastation caused by the flood that I showed you a couple of weeks ago. This used to all be like a big beach. People would drive out on it. We had tons of people camping here every year, and now it's absolutely decimated. That's absolutely crazy. I cannot believe the damage. I'm not sure if I have videos of driving like you used to be able to drive off that road I just came off of, and well, you can see tire tracks. People are still driving to here, but those trees were not there. They all come down. This is absolutely crazy. Wow. Flood changed our whole riverbank. Oh, there's my beautiful girl. I can't believe how much sand is here. This all used to be a rocky beach. Okay, there's the beach over there now, way down there. See if I can get to it. Duck under there. Oh my god, this is crazy. All these trees come down. The last flood. That's absolutely nuts. Okay guys, well that was my show for today. Thank you for watching. We've just got one more little sugar cube moment, and this was actually, like I said earlier, I'm looking for submissions. I borrowed this, thanks to for permission, Tanya, but I borrowed this off of my friend's Facebook page. Yeah, just simple videos like this. If you have some, send them to me and I will use them. So until next week, blessed be, peace out, look for the helpers.